Elgrand is pretty tough. Although we can hear the voices of the new model, it will not change the state of challenging the ridiculously high wall of rivals Alphard. The reason for this is that the Alphard are almost exclusively for domestic use, and it was clear that they were studying the Japanese market for storage and interior design. Elgrand switched from rear-wheel drive to front-wheel drive in the current model. Elgrand, on the other hand, had a dynamic performance centered on the powerful V6 3.5-liter engine. The latest generation of the Toyota Alphard is rumored to be making its global debut next May. This fourth-generation premium MPV is likely to offer a number of significant upgrades, one of which is using the TNGA platform. This next-generation Alphard will use the TNGA platform used by the latest Harriers and also the Crown family. Thus, it is predicted that this MPV will use a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter dynamic force engine or also the same cubicle engine with hybrid technology intake. In addition, there is also the option of a 4-cylinder turbo engine with a volume of 2.4 liters which is capable of producing up to 272 PS of power and 460 Nm of torque.